Hi guys, Mike here, the sound guy for you, doing another microphone review, and this time it's the Audio Technica Pro 24 CM stereo mic, um, to be used for placement on cameras, DSLRs or video cameras. Um, and I've actually had this mic for quite some time. Uh, I I haven't really used it that much up until recently, but it's a good microphone, um, and as you can see, it comes with a uh, a mic holder. It's got uh, like a hot shoe to be placed on a DSLR or a video camera, and it's also got a screw uh, opening there, like to place on a tripod if you wanted to do that with it. Um, but it's not really the mic holder here isn't uh, doesn't provide for much you know vibration canceling, such as a um, some of these other mic holders that you can get for other mics. It just this holder just slips right onto the microphone, and that's about it. But I don't know. I guess it does the job. I've used it, several times. I mean, this is the only thing that mic holder that came with that you can use. Uh, and but I'd say it works okay. But this microphone uh, actually is it requires a battery, and requires these kind of batteries here. Um, and I've had to replace the battery once, and all the years that I've had it, I've only had to replace the battery once. So it's pretty good on batteries. But I think these are, I don't know, I guess you can consider these like hearing aid batteries or something like that. But it requires these kind of batteries, and actually, the uh, the microphone, it unscrews, and then you can just open it up and put the battery in to replace it when it comes time to do that. But this is a really good microphone, and I'm going to take the wind cover off there. And as you can see, it's kind of like a shotgun type of a microphone, but it's a stereo microphone, and it works very well. As far as being a stereo microphone, it's got your on-off button here, and it shows you the kind of pickup pattern that it has there on top. Um, this does not have a little LED light, that lights up when you turn it on. So you just kind of have to remember when you get done using it that you have to turn this off. Or uh, if you have a means to use a microphone that like this that doesn't if you plug it into a device that already has phantom power, then you don't really need the battery. I've got my Tascam DR22WL, which I use when I'm just wanting to make a separate uh, recording with this to transfer to my phone. Uh, this does have phantom power, and if I wanted to plug this in without using the battery for this, then I could do that. But if I'm just plugging it into my DSLR or my video camera, then I need to have the battery in here because my DSLR or my video camera does not provide phantom power. Anyway, I've been recording off the video, I mean the microphones on my Galaxy S9 Plus, And so now I'm going to switch to um, the video from, I mean the audio from this microphone. So I'm going to pause the video and let you hear what the microphone sounds like. Okay, I'm back, and I am now recording with the audio from the Audio Technica Pro24 CM. I'm going to set this down here so that I can have both hands free. And as I mentioned, this is a stereo microphone, and I have an extra liking for stereo microphones, although I have a lot of mono mics as well too, which I like my mono mics as well, of course, but I just have this extra liking toward stereo microphones because they, they offer you a spatiality with the sound recording. You can record, you can hear left and right going on with stereo mics, and that just gives them, it's just an extra feature that stereo mics have. My Galaxy S9 Plus records in stereo, but of course, the built-in mics just don't cut it. It just, I mean, they're okay. They just they don't have that quality that you can get from, say, a mic like this, and so therefore, it's a lot better to just have a separate mic, a condenser mic such as this, to give you a higher quality sound when you're doing video production, video presentations, or you're vlogging or doing podcasts. So, like I mentioned in previous videos, there is a whole world of microphones that you can choose from, and that have great quality to them. This microphone, I trying to remember how much I spent for this. I think I spent $25-30 for this microphone, and it's been a really good microphone. I mean, for what it is. I've got other microphones that I've been testing out, and they sound really nice too. But like I said, a lot of them are mono mics. I've only got like a couple of other stereo microphones. I've ordered one. I have one that I'm waiting for to arrive in the mail. But I'm just trying to collect different microphones, to see which one I like the best. I have just a plethora of different mono mics. I have a Sony copy that might as well be a mono mic. It's supposed to be a stereo mic, but I cannot record in stereo with it. And then I've got I got a newer NW700, which is just a mono a condenser mic. I only paid like $15 for it, but it gets great sound for what it is. So anyway, this is my review of the Audio Technica Pro 24 CM. I hope you enjoyed this video, and enjoyed the sound comparison between this and the video, or the audio from my Galaxy S9 Plus. I'm hoping you can see the difference in the quality of the sound. And if this video was helpful to you, I would appreciate giving me a thumbs up. Hit the like button, or subscribe as well too if you like this video. So um, anyway, you guys have a great rest of the day, and we'll see you later.